What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to take you guys on the Scenic boat tour in Winter Park, Florida. I'm super excited because the views look amazing.
So did you want to do cash?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, you got it, buddy. So $40.
There's some places that
Right, you guys, welcome to Venice of America. This is gonna be the Scenic boat tour. The boat leaves every hour on the hour. All you have to do is make sure that you get here 10 minutes before, purchase your tickets, and we're actually heading down there to wait for the next boat. You're gonna use it? They have bathrooms. Lock it. Alright. There's a few clouds, but I think we'll be alright.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour. My name is Tom, and I'll be your guide for the next hour or so over 3 different lakes and 2 different canals. Starting out here today on beautiful Lake Osceola. Osceola was named after a Seminole Native American chief who reportedly camped on these shores way back in the day. It's been a beautiful day out here. A little breezy, but I think I'm still going to turn up the air conditioning here a little bit. Canal we're going to go into today is the Fern Canal, and this is going to take us over to Lake Virginia. These canals were originally dredged for travel, trade, and the logging industry. Back in the late 1800s, when the city was really growing fast, most of the yellow pine trees were taken down for lumber, and a lot of them were floated through these canals to the sawmills. You're also going to see a lot of bamboo in the city of Winter Park. There's some large bamboo coming up right here on the right. Bamboo is not indigenous to Florida, but it's certainly at home here. A lot of people will use it as a natural fencing on their properties, but the simple fact that it's just too darn hard to get rid of has been called invasive. Coming up on the left is a yellow pine tree that actually made it to maturity, one of the few in the city. It's about 150 years old. And if you guys look straight ahead, you will see why we don't have roofs on our boats anymore. We've had a lot of rain this summer, and therefore this bridge up ahead's gotten pretty low. So I'm going to ask everyone to please be careful up here as we go into Osceola Avenue. Please watch your heads, guys. Now would not be the opportune time to stand up. Please be careful. Might need to duck a little.
What the? Adventurous. I said adventurous.
Coming up ahead is a natural bridge. This big limb going across the canal up here is called Squirrel Bridge. Squirrel Bridge has a fern on it that's kind of turning brown. Looks like it's dying. But it's still quite alive. It's called Resurrection Fern. And if it gets rained on heavy tonight, it will be bright green tomorrow. Guys, watch out for this giant. Could be up to 400 years old.
Okay. Right?
And as we come out of this canal on the right side, you'll get a close-up view of those cypress knees I spoke of earlier, right here. And we're now back on Lake Outfield. This canal is long and winding and very narrow, so please watch out for any low-hanging foliage. Please keep your hands inside the boat. Thank you. We also have another low bridge up ahead, so please be careful up here when we go under Palmer Avenue this time. Please watch it, too, guys. This is the Palmer Avenue Bridge, the oldest bridge in Winter Park. It was built in 1932. I'm sorry, 1924. It just turned 100 years old. These canals are owned and maintained by the city of Winter Park. They do a very nice job of keeping them clear and clean for us. They were originally creeks that attached the lakes, and as I mentioned earlier, they are today under one of President Roosevelt's work programs. BD, before Disney. 364 days a year, weather permitting. I want to thank you guys for coming on the tour this afternoon. Hope you enjoyed it. Beautiful afternoon out here on the lakes. Winter Park's a beautiful city. Lots to do up on Park Avenue, a lot of good dining and shopping up there, but whatever you decide, enjoy the rest of your day. Please come back and see us again. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for coming. Really appreciate it. Thank you. We could all stay seated till we get all tied up here at the dock.